Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah, Staff Veterinarian for Trilogy International, and today I want to talk to you about traveling with your pet. The holidays are fast approaching, and with them come travel, and if your travel plans include your pet, then preparation is key for a safe and hassle-free trip. First, assess your pet and your destination. Are they compatible? Is your pet healthy enough to travel? If you have any doubts about either, it is better to leave your pet at home. Hire a pet sitter or board your animal at a kennel. Schedule a visit with your veterinarian. If you and your pet are traveling by air, current health and rabies certificates will be required a maximum of 10 days prior to departure. Make sure your pet is current on all their vaccinations, and if your pet gets carsick or restless while traveling, your veterinarian can prescribe medications that can help. Many pets become separated from their human companions while traveling. If your pet isn't microchipped already, consider getting this done. Microchipping is safe, quick, inexpensive, and invaluable in the event that your pet ever does get lost, because microchips can be read at animal shelters, at kennels, and animal hospitals nationwide. On your trip, bring along a recent photograph and a written description of your pet that includes name, sex, breed, and any tattoo or microchip numbers. This will increase your chances of your pet's safe return. Use a secure carrier for your pet to travel in. It needs to be large enough so that your pet can stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Print your pet's name and your name, address, and phone number on the outside of the carrier. Don't forget to include both your home and your destination address. And make sure that your pet is used to the carrier before you start the trip. There are a few items that you can bring that will make the trip easier on everyone. An old blanket works well to put down under the carrier, and 2 old sheets can be used to cover furniture and bedding at your destination. It doesn't hurt to bring carpet cleaner, old towels, and trash bags for accidents, and a lint roller can be your best friend. These items make cleanup easier, and your host will greatly appreciate it.